This quick build could save your next build. Side. Alright you guys, today we're going to be making a smoke stopper. This device, it's really simple, and it could save you a lot of time, headache, and money. Save your next build. It's seriously just 3 pieces of wire, 2 sockets, and an automotive light bulb. So let's begin. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get your preferred battery terminal connector. Been working on too many vehicles apparently. You're going to want to hook up a negative to both of them. I've pre-tinned all of my wires, so make this all a little bit easier, a little bit quicker. If somebody else has an easier way to solder these together without, I could leave a comment though. I'd like to hear how other people hold their wires and all that fun jazz together. So you're gonna take one of your positives though. One positive to each side. Then you're going to take your automotive light bulb. Hook the positive onto the side of it. Pretty likely. And positive to the bottom end of it. Ooh, glass got hot there. And that's it. So what this will do is it'll act as a fuse. So you can take your battery, plug in your battery, and as you can see, it won't start up. Connect it into your quad. In this case, I just have a quick little setup here. And as you can see, it'll work, but not to the full capacity of what you're able to do. It cuts it out. So if you have a short, if you have a blown ESC, if you have something wrong, this will warn you. It'll blow the fuse, it'll blow like a fuse, or it'll light up, and it won't allow you, well, it'll allow you to have power, but as you can see, not your full power. And if that blows, you have an issue. So you can use this, you can make different connectors, and you can use it to find your blown ESC or whatever it is that's going on. And it can seriously save your next build. So if you guys like the video and you find it helpful, like it, subscribe. Thanks for watching.